All right, we are finally making some progress. Got a pretty old gray fox. This was in a dirt hole with my window screen, not window screen, my black steel screen. And this is kind of a unique spot. To be honest with you, I stopped here because there's an intersection around the corner, and there's a landline here, and there's just a old water bar here, and there's an intersection maybe 100 yards behind me, and I was going between the two knowing the intersection was coming up, and thought, well, before I get up there I'm gonna go to the bathroom. So I stopped here, and there's actually some coyote scratch off marks. Let me get him dispatched and I'll show you how to do the remake. But I was actually just running a big hole. See if I can find my screen. But I had the trap, not a whole lot of backing, deep hole. I had a trap set like this, kind of going down into the hole, kind of what I've heard is kind of a Charlie Robbins style dirt hole set. But actually, you know, outside of this little water bar here, there's nothing that would have attracted me to say, hey, let's put a set here. But until I got out, and you can't really see, but there was a couple scratch off marks right here, and then I just noticed, well, shoot, I saw some claw marks in the road. There we go, right there. I don't know if those are fresh or not. I don't know if those are from the other day, but and I got out, saw those, and said, well, heck, if I'm gonna sit on sign, I'm gonna sit on sign. So here it is, and let's see, it's 2 days. Made a gray fox catch. We'll remake this, and hopefully we'll have another gray fox here tomorrow. Ha! Boom, baby, catch number 2. Got an old nice bobcat right here. That is a trap I just set yesterday, and that's actually an Expand-A-Pan, and that was a kind of a Zagger style grass covering set. Let me get him dispatched and I'll show you up close. Here, there's a solid front foot catch with an Expand-A-Pan. No complaints whatsoever with that. Heck, that's a better catch than sometimes I get with just a regular pan. This was actually a flat set with some Dobbins Coyote number 3 and some red fox urine just on a tuft of grass right here. And then we got kind of a big hole with a beaver tail back there, and you can see I got a couple of small tracks right here. I needed them just a little bit farther. That should have been close, but I probably use window screen on that, screen wire on that. But this is a large intersection. I've set this intersection 2 years, never caught anything in the intersection. That gray fox was caught maybe 100 yards that way, and just riding through here looking, I mean, you see there's some scat right here, and I don't know if there's any fresh, but there was some tracks right along the edge. I mean, there's kind of old track, and I said, man, you know, this is maybe that opening is just too wide, and you know, I'm missing too much. So I backed right off, just right to the edge where it kind of necks down, and boom, you can see I'm really hoping for a double here, because it's gonna be, I got that foothold there, and then that one right there, man, that'd be a super close, man. That'd be an awesome double, but we'll see. Anyway, 2 critters on the board though. I like it.